Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will answer one of the biggest questions in tech today. Will AI replace software developers? The honest answer is no, not completely. AI is a powerful tool, but it is not a full replacement for software developers. AI can help developers work faster, but humans are still needed to build reliable, secure, and useful software. Now let's understand what AI can actually help with. AI can generate boilerplate code. It can explain code in simple language. It can suggest bug fixes. It can create test cases. It can help with refactoring. And it can give documentation and debugging ideas. So yes, AI saves a lot of time. Instead of spending hours on repetitive work, developers can use AI to get a faster starting point. But here is the important part. Software development is not just writing code. Real developers understand user needs, they understand business problems, they design systems, they think about security, they improve performance, they work with databases and APIs, they handle deployment and production issues, and most importantly, they make final technical decisions. AI may generate code that looks correct, but a developer must verify whether that code is actually correct, safe, scalable, and maintainable. For example, AI may create a working feature, but who checks edge cases? Who checks security risks? Who checks performance under real users? Who decides if the solution fits the company's long-term architecture? That responsibility still belongs to software developers. So the real future is not developer versus AI. The real future is software developer plus AI. With AI, developers can research faster, code faster, test faster, and learn faster, but AI should be used as an assistant, not as a blind copy-paste machine. The best approach is simple. Learn AI tools, verify AI outputs, and keep improving your fundamentals. Because architecture still matters, problem solving still matters, human judgment still matters. So remember the key takeaway. AI will not replace software developers completely, but developers who use AI well will become faster, smarter, and more valuable. Quick rule: AI will not replace software developers. Developers using AI will replace developers who ignore AI. That is the real future of software development.